Hi, I'm Natasha Gaffer, CEO and co-founder of Ware and a software engineer by trade. Globally, food delivery is expected to be a $200 billion industry by 2025, and these numbers are growing during COVID with people stuck at home. But that also means that 100 million plus single-use food containers are entering our waste streams every day. At Ware, my team works directly with restaurants, grocery stores, and other food vendors to offer durable replacement products for single-use food packaging. With the use of our proprietary software, our partners can borrow or rent containers to their customers. Containers are safe from plastic chemicals, they're leak-proof, beautifully designed, and can later be returned by the customer to any participating vendor or convenient drop point. Behind the scenes, we coordinate the collection of used dishware, sanitize them at a commercial facility after each use, and then redistribute them to participating vendors for reuse. Our software and superior fleet of multi-use packaging makes reuse affordable, convenient, and trendy. Thank you.